I'm not a unicorn. Let me explain. Yeah, you heard me. I'm not a unicorn. So what I consider a unicorn is when somebody starts this business and they truly have success overnight or within a couple weeks. Well, that wasn't me. And it's not going to be a lot of people out there. And most of those unicorns probably already had a following. If you're not a unicorn, just like me, I want to let you know you can still build this business online and be successful. My journey started, I'm going to say March of 2022 is when I became serious and when I started showing up every single day. I didn't make any sales. I didn't have a whole lot of followers. I didn't have a lot of experience. What I did know is I was determined that I was going to do this, and it was a non-negotiable for me. And no matter what, I showed up every single day and I made content and I posted that content here on TikTok. Because I did that, here I am a little over a year later and my business is starting to thrive. And guys, I know it sucks. It sucks to spend all that time and put all that effort into, making these videos and maybe not getting any followers or any likes or any sales. I know it sucks. I've been there. I'm here to let you guys know that will change. It will change. Don't give up. Do not give up on your dream. Do not give up on the desire to be passionate about something else, to quit your 9-to-5, to have more time freedom, to spend more time traveling or doing the fun things you want. That is your dream. Do not give up on that dream. Keep showing up every single day. And yeah, it may suck. It may be 6 months, 8 months into this process, but I promise you, if you keep doing the work and you keep showing up, it will change for you. And if you really talk to a lot of people, most people's journey takes 6 to 8 months before they even make their first sale. So I'm here to let you know you're amazing. You can do this, because if I can do this, you guys can do this, and it just takes time. So do not quit too soon.